Eleazar Harash. Appeal to mark the beginning of Eleazar Harash Foundation. My dearly loved brothers and sisters, beloved from the way, from the depths, we have only one way towards God and the truth. So has the Master taught us. May your way be love, wisdom and truth. May it be difficult, pure and blessed. May your way be sacred love, because only in this love God and the Master are born. Only love is the image of God. May love, wisdom and truth be your dwelling. Love, wisdom and truth. This is the self-shining world.